Yay! It's Tanner's second birthday, and for his birthday, his little friend came over. Okay, show us the pillows. Get the pillow. Get the pillow. Get the pillow. Get the pillow. Oh, Tanner. Get the pillow. Tanner and Haley. Mimi. Okay, Tanner, we need to put a new diaper on you. They just bumped heads, so we had to start the video again.
You're not being a very good video.
Ride the horsey!
Here, ride the pillow with Tanner.
His droopy drawers.
Here, Haley, ride the pillow. Ride the pillow.
Yay! Okay, we're gonna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, dancing machine.
Where's the stuffed animal?
You can grab one of those teddy bears up there. Or here, there's one right here. Wait, see. That one.
Right there.
I'll grab her. Right. Okay, I'm gonna stop it.